Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to put PC on sleep mode. So let's get started. There are two ways to make your PC in sleep mode, to put your PC in sleep mode. So whenever you come to this desktop screen, you will see the Windows icon on left side bottom corner. Click on this Windows icon, then click on this power button. Here you can see the sleep option. So when you click on this sleep option, then sleep mode gets on. Okay. So uh, then after, another way I will tell you, which is a shortcut way, very much shortcut way. Means it's a uh, uh, quick shortcut way to make your PC in sleep mode, to put your PC in sleep mode. So the shortcut keys are Windows L. When you click on Windows L, your PC gets put in sleep mode. So here I